All right, guys, welcome back to another video of Shaman J. For educational purposes, I decided to buy this new iPhone Air battery. Now, this is exclusively made for the iPhone Air. Um, because of the way the phone is built, the size is going to be perfect on this phone right here. So this is a good thing. So I picked this up today. Decided to go ahead and pick it up. I ordered and I decided to go pick it up. But this is going to be pretty interesting because right now on the iPhone Air, I'm actually at 24 hours with the iPhone Air. And my battery life is actually pretty decent, man. I'm sure I can make it through a full day of battery of charge with this. I've just been using it, and I think it's great to have this phone with no case on it, folks. You're really gonna enjoy this. But overall, the battery has been great. I mean, it's really been good. This is blue, if you can't tell. Yeah, all the colors look alike except for the black one. The black one is the least favorite, just because of how the top bar is just doesn't look as good. But all the other lighter colors look, the gold, the white, and this blue. They pretty much all look the same depending on what angle you're looking at it and what your lighting looks like when you have your recording going. But here's the battery pack. No prolonging anymore. Let's get this open here. Oh, it just pops up like that. All right, here it is. Really thin. This weighs about as much as the phone, man. This actually feels like it weighs more, or about the same size as the phone. All right, so we get this out here. And the thing about this battery right here, I don't need to do anything. I just need to pop it on there, turn it on, pop it on, and it'll regulate itself. So looking around it here, yeah, you don't need to do anything. You just need to charge it up and pop it on the back of the phone. So it's specifically made for this particular product. So it says iPhone. Let's see. Oh, there we go. All right, so it's charging. But the good thing about this is I don't need to power it on. iPhone can charge to approximately 90% while using MagSafe battery pack. Yeah, this is a good look because this is a thin phone, and I'm just happy that there's an accessory specifically for this phone. A lot of people were deterred by this instantly because they said, "Oh, the battery's going to be horrible." Well, this battery pack is the same size as in the phone, 3150, 3149 for the people that are really technical about it. But some of you guys are going to be tempted to buy this, and you have a different iPhone. I'm going to tell you, I wouldn't do it because I've already seen that you can't. It's just not going to be right. This is specifically made for this iPhone. So if you're in the market for something that's going to be exclusive to your device, I say just get it. Especially if you got a discount on your phone, you should grab it. I don't think you'll be unhappy with it. Right now, it does add some weight because, again, this battery pack is probably the weight of the phone almost. It feels like it. It might be just that initial weight of it, but it definitely is adding some heft to the phone. So you just pop it on, and that's it. And you just charge it outside of the phone or charge it while it's on the phone or whatever. It's just gonna work. It works seamlessly with the phone. So I'm pretty happy with this purchase right here, man. So you can see what it looks like from the bottom here. And it goes on super easy too, man. It goes on so easy. No problems with it. You just pop it on, it'll figure out itself with the software, and that's it. I don't even see a power button on this thing because unlike some of the other power banks, there's power buttons on them. And the old power banks from Apple are shorter and stubbier. But this one is nice and slim. It's actually thicker than the actual phone when you look at it. But nonetheless, it's still good. We're doubling the capacity of this phone with this battery pack. Now, I say, don't be deterred. Don't think that just because you're going to get this phone, you're going to have poor battery life. I don't think so, folks. I think that you're kind of jumping the gun and assuming that you're going to have poor battery life just from what Apple is doing because they're making an exclusive item for battery for this phone. The real thing is, I think they're just pushing this phone. This is the direction that they're going, and they're going to push this phone. They're going to push this phone really hard. So I'm really hopeful that, the phone does well because it is something different. Sitting here watching my man holla at your boy. He just got his first ever iPhone. I'm proud of him. He finally grew up and he got his first iPhone. But yeah, this phone is a win. I think tons of people are going to really enjoy this phone. I also think there's so many of these in stock because I think Apple knew that these would do extraordinarily well. And when you go into an Apple store, you're going to see a lot of people buying this phone and or just talking about it, just wanting to see it and feel it and see if it's actually what people say it is online. And it, in fact, is. So just be prepared that when you get this battery pack, it is going to make your phone weigh a little bit more. But if you want that extra battery power just for the sake of your own mind, you just got to have some extra juice. I would say get it. And also, it's kind of exclusive to this phone. So why not? Because when these sell out, you can rest assured people are going to start trying to buy them up and resell them for a higher price. We see it all the time. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. That's the battery pack, man. It's ready. I'm going to start using it. I'm also going to follow up. I'm not going to use this all the time, but I'm going to give you my thoughts on using this with the phone. Because already I can tell I don't really, it adds a little bit of weight to it. But I'm just going to throw this in my pocket probably and just slap it on or whatever if I decide to put it on. But I'm going to use it full throttle until it dies. I'm going to charge up to 100, charge the phone to 100, and I'm going to use it full throttle until it dies. So I'll try to follow up next week. We'll talk about it on the stream. If we end up streaming next week, we'll talk about it. If not, catch it in a video. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Grab one of these, man, if you have an Air. You might as well.